We started this course by discovering a feature that you have probably encountered before while working with the builder: the possibility of updating modules. Our team of developers and our partners and collaborators work every day with the intention of improving the platform and, in addition to making changes in the builder itself, also strive to enrich the various features available. An update is the launch of a new version of a module, service or template on which a new functionality has been added. An existing one has been modified or some kind of improvement has been made that, although they are not visible to you, have been implemented with the aim of offering a better experience. How will we know if we have a new update? If you have used the builder for a long period of time, it's likely that you have ever found this green symbol, similar to a wheel made up of two arrows. If you can spot it, you're looking at an update. As you can see, right now I could update the HTML module and go from version 1.0.8 to the most recent. Let's do it. Click on the green wheel and we will be asked if we want to update. We will verify that a warning appears with the possibility of losing our contents. I recommend you to keep a copy of your data in a text document in case you need to paste them again. We confirm to upload the version. It seems that the HTML module has evolved and now includes new functionalities. Since the elementary course was made until now, the module has been improving and including new options. For starters, it is now called HTML plus CSS plus JavaScript. Although this name could change again at any time, it will always include the word HTML. Indeed, as your new alias indicates, the CSS and JavaScript fields have been added, from where more advanced users will be able to load their style sheets and JavaScript-based functionalities. Of course, you will have the first block that will work in the same way we saw in the previous course. Another of the blocks that have been incorporated here below is the one corresponding to multi-language variables. Precisely, multi-language will be one of the functionalities of the builder that we will see in the next chapters. Of course, copy and paste the title of the module you had above here below to always show the new title in the modules page. Like this one, there will be many other modules that can be updated during the useful life of your app. Updating a module is optional, and even if a module update is available, your app will continue to work in the same way as before if you decide not to update it. If you do, it will be necessary to release an update for your app.